Do you find it difficult to draw a portrait with the Loomis method? It's easy to miss the key point. Now I'll show you in this video what can cause you problems when using the Loomis method. Let's watch the method in action with this portrait. First, I draw a circle. The circle represents the skull without the lower jaw. The small circle, ellipse, is roughly 2/3 of the diameter of the skull. It indicates the flat side of the skull. It contains the ear and reaches to the eyebrow. If you connect the ear with the eyebrow, you get the angle of the head. I draw a line through the eyebrows. I observe the angle in the reference photo. The nose line is parallel to the eyebrow line. The chin line is parallel to them. I measure the distance between the eyebrow line and the nose line downward. According to the Loomis method, the hairline is also parallel to these 3 lines, and you get 3 equal parts. But the Loomis method only shows you the proportions of the average head and face. So you need to be more flexible with this method. Don't try to force the portrait to that template. You have to analyze the reference photo. Or, if you have other photos of the same person, you can observe the face structure better. His hairline is obviously lower than the average. So, I always observe the proportions of the average head and face, examining how they relate to the reference photo. I note the differences and similarities.